there, everyone. My name is Manfred, and I'm from Kids Public Speaking, Bangsa South. I am 10 years old, and I'm pleased to share with you the story called The Woodman and the Axe. Long ago, there lived a woodcutter in a small village. He was sincere with his work and very honest. Every day, he set out to the nearby forest and cut trees. He bought the wood back and sold it to a merchant, and earned his money. He earned just about enough to earn a simple living, and he was satisfied with his simple living. One day, while cutting a tree near a river, the axe slipped out of his hands and fell into the river. The river was so deep, he could not think to retrieve it. He only had one axe, which just fell into the river. The woodcutter was very worried, thinking how he would earn his living now. He was very sad and prayed to the goddess sincerely. He prayed it so sincerely that the goddess appeared in front of him. And she said, "What's the problem, my son?" The woodcutter explained the problem and requested to get his axe back. So the goddess put her hand deep into the river and took out a silver axe and said, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter looked at the axe and said, "No." So the goddess put her hand deep into the river and took out a golden axe and said, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter looked at it and said, "No." The goddess said, "Son, it's a heavy, valuable golden axe. You sure it's not yours?" The woodcutter said, "No, it's not mine. You can't cut trees with a golden axe. It's not useful for me." So the goddess smiled and finally put her hand deep into the river and took an iron axe and said, "Is this your axe?" The goddess woodcutter looked at it and said, "Yes, this is mine. Thank you." The goddess thinks that he honesty is very good as a reward. So he gave him the iron axe and the two other axes as a reward for his honesty. The moral of this story: always be honest. Honest is always rewarded. Thank you.